Hello, my sewing friends. I have been accumulating some patterns because Joann's and Hobby Lobby are sorely tempting me to drop by and just pick up a $1.99 pattern because they know I can't resist. I'm sure it's targeted all specifically towards me. Jen can never resist a pattern sale. Let's put them on sale and have her come buy all of them. Well, I try and show some restraint, and yeah, I do better other times than some other times. So let me just show you the McCall's patterns that I have picked up recently. I'll start off with McCall's 7626. This is a very cute little bib overall or bib jumper. And I just thought, you know, the 5 daughters that I always talk about always think that I am some kind of, you know, dressmaking machine factory that they can just, you know, I don't know if they think I magically turn this stuff up or what. Whatever it is they think, it's because I've always done it. So I have myself to blame. Anyway, this is just really cute. And I was thinking of them when I got it. Although I love this little, or this little really, jumper. So cute. And it kind of reminds me of a jumper that I had to make for a 4-H project when I was about 13. So lots of options for patch pockets or slash pockets, and I know one of the girls actually specifically would love that jumpsuit. So yeah, that may be in the near future. So very cute. I guess she'd love those shorts too. McCall's 7578 also is probably going to be for one of the girls, although I love this. It's like a little tennis dress. And I think if I made it a little bit longer, maybe almost knee length, it would be so cute. Just so cute. All of these things call for knits that have 4-way stretch, except for this, which you can also use interlock with. I like interlock knit because it's got more, I don't know, substance, shape to it. More cotton, less spandex, but still knit. So yeah, I showed this to Mia and she immediately said, I think I had a tennis dress in high school that was almost that very same thing. And I thought, okay, well, all of this is nice just to have in case anybody looks at me and says, can you magically pull a pair of leggings out of your sewing room? Well, maybe. I don't know. Here are the line drawings. It's all really cute stuff. And actually, I really like this little top too. So got a little sports bra there, leggings, the dress. It's just all very cute. And I have trouble passing up a dress with tennis shoes, especially white tennis shoes. Although I have to be really careful of that because I'm getting older and you can start into that ancient, oh my gosh, you know, old lady in white tennis shoes territory. I don't want to do that. McCall 7650 is a dress and a top, and I am interested in this maxi. I think that is just so pretty, and mainly because it's got so much interest going on here. Just architecturally, this is probably not the right word, but it's just really nice the way that they've done it in the 3 different pieces. I don't think I would color block it, but it is just kind of interesting. I just thought it looked kind of cool. So I will probably try that maxi. I like all that pleating across here because it's flat rather than being gathered, and yeah, I just thought that was cool. And the last one is McCall's 7600, which is just a little t-shirt or tank top. And I like this version. Where I live, I wear a lot of tank tops, or actually I wear a lot more sundresses with no sleeves. But I really like this tank top, and it's great with shorts, would be really good with shorts. So they've color blocked it quite a bit, and I like that little pleat in the back. So yeah, great pattern to have just around, and I may try this one sooner than later just because of the longer length and the pleating in the back. I gotta tell you, I am not a fan of the high-low trend. I hope it goes away soon because I just don't like it. So those are all the McCalls that I've gotten recently. If you've gotten any of those or made any of those up and have photos on Instagram or on Pattern Review, or if you've made a video about them, I would love, love, love to have a link. That would be great. You can tell me all about whether or not it's easy to do or more difficult or whatever. So that's it for now for me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.